What's poppin' YouTube? It's your boy Jairus back again with another banger. I'm out here with Beans. We're gonna be filming a couple videos out here today. I had a couple people DM me asking me to do like a tips and tricks type of thing for a couple routes. Somebody asked about a curl, like the hook route sort of concept. So I'm sort of just thinking about doing like the hitch, curl, and hook concept. Those are kind of tying to each other as far as like steps go. So I think I'm gonna do that. Just some of the stuff that helped me when I was in college to sort of perfect that route and just do it as best as I could at a high level. So I'm gonna do that. We also gotta film Beans' video. He left his camera on in the car and he don't even know how long it was in his car. So his battery's dead, so we're gonna be filming his video on my camera too. So if you haven't already, subscribed to the channel. If you're new, follow me on Instagram. I already put my Instagram in. Follow me if you haven't already. I'm gonna start posting on Instagram more because I got to now. So follow me there. Drop a like on this video because it's gonna be a good one. A lot of people have been asking me how to run some routes, so I might start doing some instructional tips and tricks on how to do that. So I'm gonna get started with the video. All right, so for the hitch, curl, and hook concept route, it's kind of the same as far as footwork goes. The same concept applies to all the routes. You want to drop your weight, you want to drop your hips, and you want to have a solid plant into the ground field. So for the hitch route, so something what I do with the hitch route is when I get to the 5-yard mark, you just gotta plant hard, drop that weight, and just turn around. So whenever you're going through it, so just here, 5 yards, kind of like that. And when we get to the curl slash hook route, it's a little similar, except it's gonna require a few more steps because it's a deeper route. So whenever you get to the top of the curl, I like to take about 3 to 4 steps. So you run the curl route, you get to the top, you get that hard stop, and then like a little gather, and then you turn. And when you turn, you want to kind of have your foot cocked back to the quarterback. It's kind of hard to be here and then have to turn all the way around. So you want to already have that foot cocked. That way you can just turn. So that's what it looks like. You here, stop, gather, turn, and you're already there. It's easier to turn when you like already kind of crooked facing this way than it is going that way essentially. And you're already there. Just turn around for the quarterback. So we're gonna set this up and I'm gonna have Beans throw a couple passes with me doing those 3 route concepts. That way you can see what it looks like in full motion. We're gonna start with the hitch route. It's a pretty simple concept. Just 5 to 6 yards. I'm gonna just plan turn. There you go. One thing I forgot to mention for hitch routes, the concept is like 2 off the outside. So 2 off the outside step. So it's like, say these are your feet, all right? 1 step, then the inside step, and then 2 step. That second outside step is gonna be the step that you're turning on. There you go. So the curl route is gonna be a little bit different. It's gonna require more steps, and it's just gonna require a little bit more effort as far as sinking your hips goes, because you're gonna be moving a little bit faster. Go. Hook route's kind of the same. I don't really know very many differences as far as like steps and stuff go. I just know it might be a little bit shorter because you're in the slot. And that might be more of like a window type of route. So if it's like zone, you want to get inside that outside linebacker or something. Yeah, those are just some things I like to do when I'm running those routes. Some things that help me out because I'm a little bit taller. So actually focusing on dropping my hips, focusing on those particular steps that I do kind of helps me because my hips are a little higher, my legs are longer. So that's about it. Thanks for Beans. Shout out to Beans. Follow, subscribe to his channel.
Yes, sir.
For throwing me the ball. I appreciate it. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Drop a like, and I'll see you guys in the next one.